Alright, this is Nicholas, Shirley, and Nathan Adam Cars coming to you from Pohanka Acura. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to actually repair your tire in any of our sedans or any of our front wheel drive models. We're going to do that today by using our tire inflator kit.
All right, and the reason we are doing this, just to show you, is that my car has a low pressure light on thanks to the tire pressure monitoring system. Now, if you go to the back of the TLX, there is a compartment under the trunk where I'll show you here on this A-Spec model in the showroom. If you go under that little storage cubby here in the trunk, you'll see, first of all, that you have a storage cubby, which is just fantastic. Look at all that space you got there. That's one of the big benefits of having the tire repair kit. And then under that little compartment in the back is the kit itself.
All right, so before we actually show you the tire inflator kit in action, we're gonna show you how to use it. So first off, you plug it in, any of your old ashtray lighters in the car, just pop it in there. You have an on button here, you then turn it on. You then put air into the tire. This will then pump the air into the tire to where then it's pushing the air out the hole. You then turn this to the sealant and air. It'll then goop up that hole and seal it for you. So it's basically a brand new tire.
All right, thank you, Nick. So the first step that I'm gonna do is plug it in.
Now this is pretty straightforward, but what you're gonna wanna do is open up the car, unwind the cable, just go right in there into the car, find one of your power outlets and plug it right in.
As soon as you plug it in, there's a light in the background, so even at night, you can really see the dial that you need to see. Now the second step is, after you plug it in, you can press the power button to allow the air to start flowing. So I'm gonna turn it to air only now to inflate the tire, and I'm gonna turn the power on now. So you just secure the hose to the tire, the valve stem there, and then as you see, if you can see the dial up here, it's actually showing me the tire pressure on the dial right now. So my tire is low. That's why I had the warning light on.
So at this point, we can just walk away, let the car do its thing, and the car will actually beep every so often just to let you know that it is inflating. Once it's done, it'll do a rapid series of 3 beeps to let you know, hey, I'm finished.
So again, the purpose of this video is to show you and get you familiar with the tire repair and inflator kit, because I do get a lot of questions from clients who are interested in Acura models and other new cars, and they're just curious as to, hey, what is this all about? Why is it here? And all of that. So as I showed you how to operate the whole kit and how you can use it to inflate your tire, one thing I didn't do is demonstrate the sealant part. There's a separate hose for that. You just turn that over the dial that I showed you. You can turn it over to sealant and pump that in after you're done inflating the tire, and that seals it right up. Now, what are the benefits of it? I want to go through that with you. Basically, one of the main benefits is going to be fuel economy. It really reduces the weight of carrying around a spare tire that you might use once or twice while you own the vehicle. Hopefully not, but you know, if you have to. So you're reducing a lot of weight. You're also saving a lot of space. As I've shown you in the new TLX, you do see that there's a lot of extra cargo space under the trunk floor. So that's a big benefit. So some of the concerns that people have are whether or not they're going to be able to repair the damage to their tire. Let's say it's one of those strange cases where the tire really blows out, or if there's a sidewall damage or something like that, right? And that's a legitimate concern to have. One of the things that you can consider is that Acura does offer roadside assistance with the car for the length of the warranty. So that's a big advantage as being an Acura owner. Another thing is that they also give the option, if you'd like to purchase the spare tire kit to replace it. It does occupy the entire space, so you don't get the extra storage. It's an option for you to save space in the car and improve your fuel economy, but you also do have the option to get the full-size spare if you want. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and keep an eye out, subscribe to me, follow all my social media pages in the description below. Keep an eye out for the upcoming videos. I have more reviews. We've done a few how-tos here, but there will be more reviews coming up. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.